A veteran pro-Kremlin commentator says Russia's goal in Ukraine is the gradual dismantling and phased reformatting of this territory. The Russian analyst, Pyotr Akopov, says, everyone understands now that the military operation will go on a long time. His commentary, published by state-run RIA Novosti news, is titled, Russia is changing tactics, but not strategy. In Ukraine, it echoes a speech on Friday by a top Russian general, Rustam Minnekayev, envisaging Russian forces taking control of Ukraine's entire coastline. From Donbas in the east to Moldova in the west. Russia has troops in Transnistria, a breakaway pro-Moscow territory in Moldova. Withdrawal of our troops from any of the occupied territories is out of the question, Akopov says. If we take the goal of the second phase to be establishing control over the south of Ukraine, then we have to realize that a third phase is inevitable too. Control over all of Novorossiya, Akopov says. Russian nationalists see Novorossiya, meaning New Russia, as a huge swath of southern Ukraine that once belonged to Imperial Russia. President Vladimir Putin has said, Novorossiya should also include the Kharkiv region in the north. Akopov says Russia may not need to capture Kyiv and Lviv, because, after the south falls, Ukraine as an entity will start to collapse. That collapse, he says, will happen, even without waiting for the surrender of Kharkiv and control over all of Novorossiya. Because loss of the south deprives Ukraine of the chances of existing as a self-sufficient state.